Welcome to practical session, my dear children. Now we are going to see how to use select tool and crop tool in MS Paint. Just listen this video carefully. You should try to do this those who have computer at home. First you should know how to open MS Paint. There are two ways to open MS Paint. First one way is to open MS Paint by clicking through the start button. To use another one way, just click on the start button, click on all programs, click on accessories, then click on MS Paint. Now you will see the paint window. The white area in the paint window is called the drawing area. It is the largest part of the paint window where pictures are drawn. Just look at this mouse pointer carefully. First one paint button, second one home tab, which one is displaying by default, third one view tab. Select tool is located under the home tab in the image group, right? Just to see the drop down arrows, children. When you click on the drop down arrows, you can see some more extra tools. Clear? Children, one more thing. We want to insert any one picture now. First go to paint button, then choose open option in the drop down menu. This is open dialog box. You can choose your favorite picture here, then double click on it. Your favorite picture is inserted in the white area. Now let's start to use all tools one by one. When you click on the select button, we can see rectangular selection, freeform selection and select all tool in the drop down menu. First choose rectangular selection, then move the mouse pointer to the drawing area, then hold the left mouse button and draw one rectangle. Just click on the cut option. After that selected portion of the picture will be cut. The cut image can be pasted into another part of the drawing when you click on the paste option. This is freeform selection. We can select any one particular part freely using this tool. After selected the particular part, choose cut and paste option. Next let's see select all tool. Just click on the select button in the image group, then click on select all tool. Whole picture is selected now. Now you can choose cut and paste options. Now let's see how to use select button with copy and paste option. Just click on the select button in the image group, choose rectangular selection in the drop down menu. Now go there and choose copy and paste option. Already we used cut and paste option, isn't it? One more thing, we can change cut or copy image location from one place to another place till the rectangle dotted box is displaying. Just look at this picture. Hereafter we cannot change this because no rectangle dotted box. Again go to select button, then choose freeform selection tool. Now I selected one petal of this flower, then copy and paste it. We cannot select like this using rectangular selection tool. Next, select all. When you click on select all tool, whole picture will be selected in the white area. Now you can choose cut or copy option. According to your wish, you can choose cut or copy option. After that, paste it in this page. Otherwise, create new page and paste it there. Now let's see how to cropping a picture. Crop button is there on the right side of the select button. First click on the select button, then choose the type of the selection what you want to make, then select a part of the picture. At last click on the crop button. Now you can see cropped image as a new image. If you want to save this image, just click on the paint button, then choose save as option. This is save as dialog box. Here you can type whatever your favorite name in the file name box. This name will be displayed in the title bar, which is located at the top of the window. After typed your favorite name, click on the save button. Now you can see the name of the file in the title bar. To create new page, click on paint button, then click on new option. This is new window screen. To get old files, just click on the paint button. Then you can see all the saved files on the right side of the drop down menu. When you click on any one file here, that particular file will appear on the screen. Dear children, I trust those who have computer at home today itself, you should try to do this practical. Thank you children. God bless you.